Marketing Analytics and Retail Business Management. Description: Retail Analytics using MS Excel, covering forecasting, market basket, RFM, customer valuation and price bundling. Requirements: You will need a PC with any version of Excel installed in it. Basic understanding of Excel operations like opening, closing and saving a file. Digital Marketing Certification, Master Digital Marketing. Description: The ultimate digital marketing course. Learn all the secrets that will make you a true digital marketing expert. Requirements: Knowledge of the English language. Python course from basic to advanced. Description: Get started with Python programming from scratch with hands-on exercises in this beginner-friendly Python tutorial. Requirements: A working computer, Windows, Mac or Linux. An interest in learning Python. An internet connection. No prior knowledge of Python is required. Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word and Windows 10, 4-in-1. Description: Learn the most powerful functions in the most used software, Microsoft. Complete collection. From beginner to advanced. Requirements: This is a beginner to advanced course. No requirements. Designing landing pages in Figma, techniques and processes. Description: Learn the tips and techniques to find design inspiration and create any landing page. Requirements: Anyone with a web browser and laptop can participate. TEFL course, Teach English online as a foreign language. Description: Understand the nuances of teaching English to non-English speakers, learners' psychology and effective teaching skills. Requirements: Graduates in any discipline. People wanting to act as voluntary teachers for a noble cause. People wishing to travel around the world. TEFL is for anyone and everyone who has good command over the English language and has a passion for teaching. Python Programming for Absolute Beginners, Part 1. Description: Learn Python quickly by examples, practice questions and coding exercises. Requirements: Access to a working computer. Desire to learn new technologies. Knowledge of school-level mathematics. Data Analysis and Statistics, Practical course for beginners. Description: Learn how to uncover the power of data analysis and statistics in this complete and easy to follow step-by-step course. Requirements: Everyone can take this course. No experience is needed. We will go step by step from the very beginning. Just some time and willingness to learn. Business Analysis Elicitation and Collaboration, IIBA ECBA. Description: Business Analysis Certification Program, IIBA ECBA certification. Requirements: No special requirements or prerequisites, but general knowledge about business would facilitate learning. Business Analysis Competencies, Personal Skills, IIBA ECBA. Description: Business Analysis Certification Program, IIBA ECBA certification. Requirements: No special requirements or prerequisites, but general knowledge about business would facilitate learning. Business Analysis Competencies, Professional Effectiveness. Description: Business Analysis Certification Program, IIBA ECBA certification. Requirements: No special requirements or prerequisites, but general knowledge about business would facilitate learning.